Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, Luxury 1272, your ultimate destination for all things luxury automobiles. Today we're diving into the striking exterior of the 2026 Cadillac Escalade. A symbol of prestige and power, the Escalade has always been a statement vehicle, and the 2026 iteration raises the bar to unprecedented heights. Let's start with its commanding presence. The Escalade is renowned for its bold and unapologetic design, and the 2026 model continues this legacy with a more refined yet imposing front fascia. The oversized grille, now enhanced with intricate mesh detailing, dominates the front view. Its Cadillac emblem sits proudly at the center, radiating sophistication. Flanking the grille are sleek, vertically stacked LED headlights, a signature element that's now more angular and futuristic. These lights provide unparalleled illumination and add a modern edge to the Escalade's demeanor. Moving to the side profile, you'll notice the Escalade's robust proportions remain intact. The long wheelbase and pronounced shoulder lines give it a commanding stance. The sculpted bodywork now features subtle aerodynamic tweaks, enhancing both performance and aesthetics. The flush door handles not only improve the vehicle's aerodynamics, but also contribute to its seamless, ultra-modern look. Meanwhile, the large multi-spoke alloy wheels, available in sizes up to 24 inches, emphasize its grandeur and add a sporty flair. At the rear, the 2026 Escalade boasts a reimagined design that's both functional and stylish. The vertical LED taillights are slimmer and more dynamic, creating a cohesive look with the front headlights. A redesigned tailgate incorporates smoother lines and an integrated spoiler which subtly enhances the vehicle's aerodynamic performance. Dual exhaust outlets, framed with chrome accents, hint at the powerhouse lurking beneath the hood. The 2026 Cadillac Escalade isn't just about aesthetics. Every line and curve on its exterior has a purpose, contributing to improved aerodynamics. This ensures reduced wind resistance, which not only improves fuel efficiency, but also elevates the driving experience. The use of lightweight yet durable materials further enhances performance without compromising on the vehicle's rugged durability. Cadillac's design team has also embraced innovation, introducing bold new color options for the Escalade's exterior. From the classic black raven to the radiant argent silver metallic, each shade has been meticulously crafted to complement the SUV's sculpted lines. An all-new satin finish is also available, offering a contemporary and ultra-premium feel. When discussing the Escalade, its history of evolving exterior design deserves a mention. From its introduction in 1999, the Escalade has grown from a simple luxury SUV to an icon of opulence. Each generation has refined its design language, and the 2026 model is the culmination of decades of innovation, blending tradition with cutting-edge modernity. Finally, let's not forget the features that elevate its exterior. The panoramic glass roof, stretching from the windshield to the rear, gives the Escalade an open and airy feel from the outside. LED lighting signatures, adaptive lighting, and power-retractable running boards round off its exterior advancements. The 2026 Cadillac Escalade is more than just an SUV. It's a rolling work of art, commanding attention and respect wherever it goes. That's all for today's deep dive into the exterior of the 2026 Cadillac Escalade. Stay tuned to Luxury 1272 for more insights into the world of luxury automobiles. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.